Welcome to this quick demo of neoStampa's printed document data feature. Let's walk through how to add document information directly to your prints. First, select the file you want to print. Then, in the Properties panel, go to Crop and Registration Marks. This is where we'll be adding all the key information to your document. Click on the Setup button to open the configuration options. Here, you can customize the font, size, and alignment of the text to match your needs. From this panel, simply choose which data you'd like to include in the print. Once you've selected the elements, a live preview will show you exactly how everything will look. When you're satisfied with the setup, click OK to confirm. And that's it. Your print now includes all the document data you've chosen, such as QR printed information, printer name, file name, color scheme used, color palette, and much more. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials and feature highlights right here on our channel.